Did you know that a rubber band can snap back with a force equivalent to 1/300 times its own weight, making it one of the most resilient objects known to humans? This phenomenon occurs when a rubber band is stretched beyond its elastic limit and then suddenly released, unleashing a burst of energy that can be quite fascinating to observe. To understand this better, let's start with the basics. What is a rubber band, and why do we use them in our daily lives? A rubber band is a flexible, elastic band made from a type of synthetic rubber called polyisoprene, which is known for its high elasticity and resistance to abrasion. Rubber bands have been around for centuries, with the first recorded use dating back to ancient China, where they were used as a form of currency. Fast forward to the present day, and rubber bands are used in a wide range of applications, from holding together bundles of papers to providing a quick fix for broken zippers. But what makes rubber bands so special is their ability to snap back into shape after being stretched, which is a result of the unique properties of the polyisoprene material. When a rubber band is stretched, the molecules in the material begin to break and reform, creating a network of cross-linked chains that allow the band to return to its original shape. But that's not the only interesting thing about rubber bands. Their ability to snap back also makes them a popular tool for scientists and engineers. In fact, researchers have used rubber bands to study the properties of materials and the behavior of complex systems, such as the way a band snaps back when stretched. One of the most fascinating applications of rubber bands is in the field of space exploration, where they are used to study the behavior of materials in extreme environments. For example, NASA has used rubber bands to test the properties of materials in the harsh conditions of space, where temperatures can range from -270 degrees C to 120 degrees C. But rubber bands aren't just useful for scientists and engineers. They also have a number of practical applications in our daily lives. For instance, rubber bands can be used to hold together broken toys or appliances, or to provide a quick fix for a torn page in a book. And then there's the fun side of rubber bands. They can be used to create all sorts of creative projects, from jewelry to decorations. In fact, the versatility of rubber bands has made them a popular tool for crafters and artists, who use them to create everything from wind chimes to sculptures. But despite their many uses, rubber bands are also a source of fascination and wonder, particularly when it comes to their ability to snap back into shape. But that's not the strangest part. Researchers have also discovered that rubber bands can be used to study the properties of materials at the molecular level. Using a technique called atomic force microscopy, scientists have been able to study the behavior of individual molecules in a rubber band, revealing the intricate details of the material's structure. It's a fascinating area of research that has the potential to lead to breakthroughs in materials science and beyond. And it's not just the science behind rubber bands that's fascinating. Their history and cultural significance are also worth exploring. For example, did you know that rubber bands were once used as a form of currency in some parts of the world? In fact, the use of rubber bands as a form of currency dates back to ancient times, when they were used as a substitute for coins in some societies. But rubber bands aren't just a curiosity. They also have a number of practical applications in our daily lives. For instance, rubber bands can be used to hold together broken toys or appliances, or to provide a quick fix for a torn page in a book. And then there's the fun side of rubber bands. They can be used to create all sorts of creative projects, from jewelry to decorations. In fact, the versatility of rubber bands has made them a popular tool for crafters and artists, who use them to create everything from wind chimes to sculptures. But despite their many uses, rubber bands are also a source of fascination and wonder, particularly when it comes to their ability to snap back into shape. So the next time you see a rubber band, remember that it's not just a simple household item. It's a complex object with a rich history and a multitude of uses. And who knows, maybe one day we'll discover even more uses for rubber bands, and they'll become an even more essential part of our daily lives. But for now, let's just appreciate the humble rubber band for what it is: a small but mighty object that can snap back into shape and fascinate us with its unique properties. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want to explore more amazing discoveries? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Want to learn more about rubber bands and their many uses? Check out our next video, where we'll explore the science behind this fascinating object. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below to let us know what you thought.